In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bulleted lists in Microsoft Word. Whether you're organizing ideas, preparing a document, or just jazzing up the formatting, bulleted lists can make your content clearer and more visually appealing. We'll take it step by step, ensuring you can easily follow along and apply what you learn to your own documents. First things first, let's open up your Microsoft Word document. If you already have it open, you're one step ahead. Once you're inside the document, identify the text you want to transform into a bulleted list. You can either highlight the specific section of text that you want to bullet, or if you haven't yet written anything, place your cursor precisely where you'd like the list to begin. With your text selection or cursor set, look towards the top of your screen for the ribbon. It's that wide toolbar with several tabs running across it. You'll want to click on the tab that's labeled Home. It's usually the default tab when you first open Word, so it might already be selected. Now, under the Home tab, let your eyes drift towards the section labeled Paragraph. Within this group, you'll find the Bullets button. It's recognizable by its icon, which is three dots stacked vertically next to three little lines. These dots and lines symbolize bullet points followed by text, and this handy button is your key to creating bulleted lists. Once you've located that button, go ahead and click it. This action will convert your selected text into a bulleted list. If your text was already typed, it'll instantly be transformed, making each paragraph or line start with a bullet. Now, if you've started your list on an entirely blank line, there's an easy method to keep adding new bullet points. Simply hit the Enter key after typing each item. Each press will create a new bullet point below the last, allowing you to continue your list without interruption. It's straightforward, ensures a consistent look, and helps maintain the flow of information. And when you reach the end of your list, you have a couple of options. You can either press Enter twice to add some space between your list and the following content, or click the Bullets button again to turn off the bulleted list feature. Either way, this will return you to the standard text formatting, allowing you to continue your document with the typical prose style. I hope this gives you a clear understanding of how to create bulleted lists in Microsoft Word. It's a simple tool, but incredibly effective in improving the organization and readability of your text. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!